It is going to be a session after lunch. So, since we are delayed by almost 45 minutes, I'm just jumping onto the questions with my panelists. And my first question would be first question for all the speakers. And the question is, how do you look at the automated packaging in the Indian chemical industry? And what is the status of automated packaging in your company? Mr. Animesh, yeah.
Yes. Good afternoon. And the automated packaging system in chemical industries is gradually increasing. It is due to its benefit. Lot of benefits is there. Out of that, like efficiency, that is production or throughput, safety, quality improvement, and others also collect the data for analysis. Like there is major safety aspect is there are some hazardous chemicals. If we try to pack this material through manual operation, it creates a lot of hazards to human being. In that case, if we go through this automated packaging system, it will reduce the hazards to human being at the same time to an environment, which is nowadays very important factor. So this automated packaging system is increasing because in our previous session, one of our speaker, Mr. Sharma, explained that everywhere chemical is needed. Like day by day, chemical products demand is increasing. As a result, this packaging system, automated packaging system will help to meet this demand, and it will help the manufacturer to sustain in the market. So if we go through this automated packaging system, it will help even quality control. Quality control means the packaging in, suppose if we give through manual operation packaging, in that case there is a lot of mistakes. Sometimes customer may get some more material, sometimes less material. It gets the complaint, and even the image of the company get disturbed. So automated packaging system help in our chemical industry since it is demand is gradually increasing. That is.
Thank you. Mr. Patel, how is Reliance implementing the automated packaging?
Since I am from the Dahej manufacturing division, this site is grown up over the last 3 decades in the various phases. So we had a semi-automated packaging system and few old plants to have a very highly automated packaging system with auto storage and retrieval systems, which is the highest level of automation. Reliance, being a major group, have a continuous focus on the digitalization. Our process plants are having a highly automated, having a DCS control systems, PLCs, SCADA, IP21, Sigma Fine modeling, and all those are highly integrated to each other. As far as packaging systems are concerned, here also needs a level of integrations with the data collections from the ground level to sensors, control, material flow controls, integrating with the management, warehouse management system, and at the enterprise level with the SAP-related ERP system. So Reliance is focusing on full of automations. Another reason is the business continuity. Since we have a very high capacity plants, we face issues during the COVID. There is an absolute shortage of human labors, and this is give another aspects to think of the fully automation of the system.
Thank you. Coming to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, from my point of view, automated packaging in the Indian chemical industry is undergoing a significant transformation. Traditionally, it was relied on the manual and semi-automatic solutions for chemical and petchem business. But there is now a clear shift towards full automations driven by the need for higher efficiency, consistent quality, safety, and traceability. So at PremierTech, we are seeing a strong upward trends among our customers, especially in the segment of agrochemical, pesticide, specialty chemical, and polymer industry towards adopting solutions like open mouth, form fill and seal, robotic palletizer, jumbo bagging systems, and all. So nowadays, customers no longer just looking for a machinery, but they are looking for an integrated intelligent system that can deliver consistent output, reduce manpower dependency, and minimize the downtime. So with PremierTech automation solution, including advanced bag placing, servo control dosing, remote monitoring, and robotic palletizations, our clients are achieving not just better productivity, but also enhanced safety and clean working environment, which is a critical need of Indian chemical industry right now. Thanks.
Thank you. Coming to Mr. Kadu, the question for you is, what are the challenges faced in technological integration with respect to automated packaging?
Regarding the challenges part, as we see, the automation is a necessary things, but regarding we can see mostly infrastructure. Nowadays, the industry is having the concern regarding infrastructure, lack of infrastructure. Automation require the new spaces. New spaces we can't adapt it easily. So it is very challenging to industries. Next is that the employee skill and resistance to changes. Automation requires the skilled workforce, and accordingly, if you want to make them skilled, we have to follow more training schedules for development the employment. Along with that, some of the employees in the industries, they are resisting to adopt new technologies. So that is also a challenging thing. Next, from my side, disruption in the operations. Because if you choose any of the sequential operation and there will be a malfunction, so it may lead temporary downtime of the productivity. So that will be also one of the challenge. Next is the high investment cost. Initially, we have to invest more. For that case, we have to go phase-wise manner. And the ROI also high. Return of investment also we have to put it higher level. Again, we can think for the now packaging industries are evolving more fastly, and day to day for maintaining that technology is too much costly. That also might be one challenge. And next is that the data integration and safety and security, because most of the chemical technology are the confidential one. And if you want to just make it automated, we have to share the technology with the softwares to build that one. So that is also somehow privacy concerns need to face, and security to maintain the data, that is also a concern. So either it is a challenge, but this is a for opportunity to us. We can have to make find out the scope from this one challenge, and we have to provide and make this automation, because automation is a necessity. We have to make the industry automated. That will improve the productivity. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Coming to you, despite the significance of or benefit of the automated packaging in the industry is not adopting it very fast, and the kind of challenges that you enumerated about the high investment, ROI, data integration, safety and security issues. How do you see these things, and what could be the suggested solutions according to you for the chemical manufacturers? Prashant.
Hello.
Yeah.
So in a recent year, automated packaging system have been remarkable innovations driven by Industry 4.0, sustainability needs and labor optimization. For example, if I talk about PremierTech solution for automation, so we have a different type of packagings for like open mouth, FFS and all. So if we take an example of open mouth, so it's like providing with automatic bag placing solutions, which is a need of nowadays for a chemical industry, especially for specialty chemical and chemical system. So in this way, they can easily reduce their manpower dependency, from the labors and from the contractor, and that will be independent work throughout the year. As a result, they can get better productivity, and of course, that is really direct impact to their year-end gross margin and turnover of the system.
Okay, thank you. So,
thank you.
Like we talked about the ROI, Mr. Dhar, how do you see the ROI in the automated packaging?
ROI is a factor. It is not only applicable for this automated packaging system.
Yeah.
It is in fact applicable for all the projects. In our previous session in driving project, it was explained that two factors is very important, that is schedule and investment. I would like to add one more factor, that is ROI. If ROI is not the desirable limit, then this project will not be viable. Ultimately, this type of project will get dropped. So ROI, in fact, is a financial analysis. It is the factor, depends on two factors, that is the saving to implement this project and the investment. Savings, like in automated packaging machine, we get lot of saving. One saving is that is throughput. Throughput will increase. And second is this labor cost and other spillages, loss control, and the product loss. That is, in manual case, it is seen that the maximum time more product goes with the packaging to safeguard any complaint. So it helped to product saving. This type of saving, after adding this type of saving and the investment, if we divide this saving by investment and convert it to percentage, it will give the ROI. And ROI, if the ROI is within limit, that is 30 to 50%, it is a good project. We should implement that type of project. And sometimes we go for ROI and sometimes payback period. It is just diverse. Payback period is investment divided by this benefit. So this is the main important factor for any projects, along with this automated packaging system. Thank you.
One issue that is coming is the integrating the automated packaging in the overall supply chain system. So, Mr. Patel, what is your take on this? how easy or difficult it is to integrate the supply chain system with the automated packaging?
Integration of any system is always remains difficult as far as the complexity of the different system is there. Okay. Automatic packaging integration of automatic packaging with respect to supply chain is key. Decision of automation depends on the throughput requirement, the requirement of the customers, requirement of the transportation requirement, and how downstream system warehousing and all those is required. Main thing is whenever we are going for the automation, integration of the softwares, integration of the existing processes, which many times it requires re-evaluation and completely change from the existing operating pattern. So automation, integration of automation is always remains on the complex side.
Okay, so related to this question only. Related to this question only, how do you look at the different steps in automated packaging, like weighing and feeding, bagging, palletizing, case packaging, and load securing? And how do these steps help in increasing efficiency and throughput?
See, automation of these different steps of a bagging line. See, many of the systems have FFS like form, fill, and seal, which is a complete automation from the initiation stage. Now the extent of automation requirement is decided based on the level of the requirement of the organization, type of load or type of product we wanted to bag. So once the steps, number of steps which we need to be automated is fully depends on the overall requirement of the product handling. Filling is automation of the filling will improve the throughput, it is speed, and have a direct impact on the quality control. The filling steps will added with the printing of the products and have a standardization on the product. The next step, palletization, we say it will help in the stacking and storage of products at the warehousing level. If we look at the further automation, application of the stretch hood or film, and that will help in improving the safety of the product as well as the operation.
Okay. Mr. Kadu, what is your take on this, on the different stages of automated packaging and how it is increasing the efficiency and throughput?
Okay, as Mr. Patel rightly said, so here I just want to share my personal experience with the present organization, SNF. We are the SNF having 28 manufacturing sites worldwide. Their standard packaging is wall type bags. So to cater the Indian market, we have now the open mouth packaging. So initially we don't have that facility to automate facility to pack open mouth bags. So we have started the manual sequences operation where loading of bags carried out with the just a weight adjustment manually, where our product is like that, it will create some dust whenever we adjust the weight in the bags. After that, there is a followed of the sealing and stitching. That mechanism also one type of hectic to pass on the bag from one conveyor to another by manual one. Next, there is a palletization. We have to stacking the bags on the pallets. After that, the casing to cover the pallets to protect from the environment. So here you can see around 6 to 8 manpowers we require to complete this task. So when we switch on to the automated one, now only we have two requirement two labors, two workforce only. One is for the entering the data and maintaining the system, and one for the logistic purpose only. So 2 guys apart from the 8 guys. Now it is beneficial for us. Earlier our output is 14 to 18 metric ton per shift. Means in 8 hours we are getting output of around 18 metric ton. Now we are catering our design capacity around 35 metric ton per shifts. So that is also beneficial for our side. Along with that, the environmental aspect if you consider, right now it is a totally closed loop system. So dusty environment, whatever we created during manual, so now it is a totally automated and closed loop, open area has been covered. So environmental health hazard also reduced down. Along with that, our product quality also increased. Packing are now standardized with as per the international marine standard packaging requirement. That also very well. So along with that, we just reduce the customer complaints and improvement in the customer side that because our product is hygroscopic in nature. So right now, from overall, after implementing the automation in the system, we are getting a reduction in the cost, improving the product quality, and enhancing the productivity. So it is a beneficial for the automation.
Thank you. Coming to you, Prashant. You have been coming out with the innovative products in the automatic packaging section. So what new features are in automatic packaging is coming to the industry, and how it is going to help the future of the packaging?
Well, if we see the product portfolio of packaging automation of PremierTech, so as I have already explained about one of technology like open mouth. So the same way, the different product range that can cater a multi-dimensional bag. For example, like a form, fill and seal, which is a new technology for Indian industry. That's already be over for Middle East and Europe. But because automation is fast-growing pattern going in Indian chemical industry, so this FFS is not only give you the speed edge, but also it's give a very consistent accuracy. And the most important part is like it's completely fully automatic version. So the dependency of the labor is extremely very low for the same. And as far as PremierTech solution concerned, then all the solutions, whether it's a FFS or jumbo bagging and the new innovation like a robotic palletizer, that all are equipped with the new new networking technology, which can provide the real-time data for all these automation solutions to the plant operation team, so that they can easily predict about their maintenance cycle. They can go for procurement of the spare parts in a well-defined timeline, so that the smooth operations can move on the regular basis for throughout the year itself.
So any new products that you are going to launch in the next 6 months?
Yeah, there is a lot of R&D and all innovation is going on in the PremierTech Global. So as far as we are already leading the market in terms of packaging automation, logistic automations and all. So now our next adventure or endeavor would be to go into more into logistic automation, which will, of course, I will explain you in my next session, where we have some short presentation, where in which providing all the logistic automation integrated with a WMS system, and throughout the truck loading and this SAP integrations in the upstream as well as the downstream part of any process cycles or process industry itself.
Thank you. So one final question, and I would expect a very short answer from all the panelists. How do you see the future of automation, automated packaging, Mr. Kadu?
the future. As we are looking the future of the automation, yeah, we have future. You can see the warehousing like Amazon and the Flipkarts. There we just want to develop the warehousing like that. Now our HO, the France SNF, they already develop warehousing like same thing. You have to put the pallets in the system. You can just keep the pallets on the conveyor and put the data in the system. So pallets automatically go on the dedicated area, and whenever there is a dispatch schedule, so it will automatically goes to the containers as per the given the data. So it's a futuristic for us.
Thank you. Mr. Dhar?
Yes. If we see the future of this automated packaging system, it is very bright since it is need of the hour. Without this packaging automation, it is very difficult to survive because ultimately to avoid this customer complaint, what less weight we have received. If weight is more, no customer will say you have sent more material. But if any material is less, in that case there is the complaint. So to avoid this complaint and to meet the productivity, since this day by day chemical products production is increasing, and to cater this productivity, we need, or it is essential to convert the packaging system through automation. But automation not in a single stage. There are a number of stages for automation, that is filling, labeling, palletizing, wrapping. So stages we have, ultimately we have to go to survive in the system. It is need of the hour.
Mr. Patel?
I think we have a lot of discussion on sustainability. Considering the fact automation will be must in the time to come.
So as far as packaging automation concerned, automated packagings always give a edge to chemical industry by significantly improving efficiency, accuracy, safety, and scalability, which all are critical in today's fast-paced and highly regulated environment. So with the use of automations, company can easily achieve consistent bag weight, faster filling, good palletizing cycles, and reduce product loss, which is directly impact the profitability of any chemical or petrochemical companies itself.